Superfoods to prevent hair loss. Good nutrition is extremely important for healthy hair growth. It is one of the first things that you should work on when suffering from hair loss, excessive hair damage, or slow hair growth. Hair is fast growing tissue and you can eat make a big difference in how much your hair grow. For healthy hair growth, a variety of nutrients are required, including vitamin A, C, E, B5, B6, and B12, as well as iron, zinc, protein, essential fatty acids, silica, sulfur, and germanium. Number one is nuts. Nuts contain a wide variety of nutrients, including protein, vitamin, minerals, healthy fats, and phytochemicals that are essential for solving the problems of hair loss as well as the dull hairs. In fact, eating nuts regularly will keep your hair healthy for years. You can include different types of nuts like almonds, peanuts, walnuts, and cashew in your diet. There is no need to eat huge amount of nuts to enjoy proper hair growth. Spinach. The nutritional profile of spinach make it an excellent superfood for animals longing into lovely locks. The spinach contains a good amount of nutrients and antioxidants. This green leafy vegetable is a good source of vitamin B, C, and E, potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids that are required for healthy hair growth. You can drink a glass of spinach juice, try spinach soup, make a plate of spinach salad, or make a dish with spinach. Oats. Oats contain a good amount of B vitamins, zinc, protein, and copper, which are some of the most important nutrients for preventing the hair loss. It also contains important minerals for the hair growth, such as potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and iron. Eating a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast is a great way to start a day. Carrots. Carrots contains a good amount of beta carotenes and important nutrients that promote healthy hairstyle. Also, the vitamin E present in the carrot will help to produce healthy sebum for the scalp. Carrot can take in many forms. The best is for course in form of juice, which can be mixed with a little lemon juice to make it taste better. A glass of carrot juice in the morning is a great way to start the day. Sweet potatoes. You can easily prevent hair loss by regularly consuming sweet potatoes. They are packed with beta carotenes, which your body converts to vitamin A. Vitamin A promotes the growth of healthy cells and tissues, including hair and scalp. Sweet potatoes also contain plenty of vitamin C, copper, iron, and protein. You can also eat boiled or baked sweet potatoes, depending upon how you like them.
If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.